Coming to the privacy and security in online social media, week 2, assignment 2. What does JSON stands for? JavaScript Object Notation. And which of the following formats does an API usually return its response? JSON and XML. MongoDB stores data in a structure most similar to JSON. MySQL can be used for querying relational databases. True. Given MongoDB collection name words, which are the following document structure? Here they had given some MongoDB, and this is the structure, and which MongoDB query will retrieve all the words with count in descending order. That is DB words find sort count -1. Which of the following are the components of a graph? Vertices and edges are the components of a graph, but here this is we can't give any one option, that's why all of the above we are considering. Which of the following is true regarding the situation depicted in the graph? Here log number of hours after Boston blast. If you see here, all rumors are spreading fastly, and true information is reaching slowly. That's why false information, rumors spread faster than the facts, true information on social media. And select the correct sequence of steps taken towards evaluating social media data. Data collection, filtering, data characterization, data classification, data evaluation. Which of the following attributes can be inferred from data collected via X? Number of likes of the tweet, number of times a tweet has been viewed, unique identifier of the user, author of the tweet. Which of the following process can be used to receive annotated posts while determining the legitimacy? All of the above. Tweet CRUD is a Chrome extension that ranks the credibility of each tweet on Twitter. True. Why Python library would you most likely use to get the top 10 hot posts from the subreddit or politics using the Reddit API? Pra. An indicator similar to hashtag is called dash on Reddit. Flare. Communities on Reddit are called subreddits. A higher follower friend ratio on Twitter can be associated with the popularity of the user. False. Now you can submit your answers. Once the answers are submitted, you can see the assessment submitted. If you have any doubts regarding the assignment, you can comment in the comment box. Please subscribe. Thank you.